What's good, universe? It's your boy Bebe Williams. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification button, so whenever I post content like this, you can get it, okay? I'll comment in the comment section whatever question you want me to answer relating to Forex. I catch you every single time. Today we are going to tackle a topic that affects us all, which is fear. As traders, as Forex traders, fear can be our worst enemy or our greatest ally. So let's dive in and conquer fear together. Fear is a natural part of trading. It's that voice in our head that whispers doubt and anxieties. But here's the truth. Fear can hold us back or propel us forward. Fear is just like a false evidence that appears real. It's all about how we manage it. First step is to acknowledge your fears. What are you afraid of in Forex markets? Is it the fear of losing money? Is it the fear of missing out on opportunities? Or is it the fear of making the wrong decisions? Write them down and face them head on. Let me reframe fear as an opportunity for growth. Embrace fear as a signal that you're stepping out of your comfort zone for greatness. Okay? In those moments of discomfort that we truly grow as traders, education is key. The more you know about Forex markets, the more confident you become. Less time in learning and staying updated with market trends, strategies, risk management and money management techniques. Develop a trading plan that includes risk management, trade management and money management. Knowing how to manage your capital and limit potential losses will give you confidence to face fear head on. Remember, no one can predict the market with 100% certainty. Accept that losses are part of the trading journey. Learn from your mistakes, adapt and keep moving forward, okay? Lastly, you have to cultivate a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your abilities as a trader. Replace self-doubt with self-belief, okay? You have the skills and the knowledge to succeed in Forex markets. So don't ever doubt yourself. Forex traders worldwide, let's conquer our fears together, embrace them, educate ourselves, and develop a strong mindset. It can be the fear to propel us towards our success. That's it for today's video. If you find this valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more trading tips and insights. Let's face our fears and thrive in the Forex market. Until next time, happy trading. Shaya.